YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some more quick fixes on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. Stay tuned. And we're back. So again, today we're going to go over some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner. This cleaner is actually a trade grade version cleaner, so it's only available for brick and mortar sale. If you guys want to know more about trade grade, make sure you guys check out our video in the description. We actually have a full video that kind of explains to you guys what trade grade means in the industry, to the manufacturer as well as to the consumer. So for today's video, we just want to show you guys how to actually remove the brush ring on the outside here, which actually gets you access into the entire inside internals of this cleaner. So first thing you're going to do is obviously you're going to remove the cleaner from the pool, and then you're going to go ahead to your workstation, your flat surface, whatever it may be. You're dealing with screws, so you definitely don't want to be near the water when you're going to start working on this stuff, because it does have the option of falling in, and then you got to either net it out or find a way to get those out. So try to step away from the pool, use your table, whatever it may be, just a flat surface. It's easier so that when you set this over, it'll actually sit here nice and easy for you. So the tools you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I like to use a long Phillips head screwdriver because two of the screws that are a part of this frame that hold the shroud on, as well as the brush ring, are actually deeper into the frame. So you want to make sure that you actually have something with some length on it. So we do not suggest using any kind of power tools. So just a hand tool, a long Phillips head screwdriver. So there are 6 screws in total. You got 2 on each side. On the inside, on each outer edge, and then you have 1 caddy corner internally right here in the middle of the cleaner. So you're going to go ahead and start the process of removing all those screws. Enjoy the fast forwarding music. Check, fast forward. Alright, once you loosen the last screw here, this is one key reason why I told you guys want to be away from the pool, because most of these you could, the outer ones you can go ahead and pull out. These are going to be your set of 4 small screws, and then you do have 2 long screws in the middle, unless you got some kind of a magnetic screwdriver so that when you actually loosen them up, they'll come up with you. This is why you want to be away from the pool, because your next step would be to flip it over. You guys could hear everything kind of drop there for you. So you're going to remove the shroud, because that's going to also come off once you remove all 6 of these screws. Go ahead and lift it up, and here are your 2 longer screws. So this cleaner basically only has these 6 screws that are going to hold the entire internal workings of the cleaner to the actual shroud and bumper assembly on the Dorado. So once you remove all 6 of those and you're able to flip this over, now you got access to most of the internals of the cleaner. One of the biggest wear points on this cleaner, very similar to its counterpart, which is the Kreepy Krauly Great White, is the brush ring. So this brush ring is going to take the most abuse as it shuffles across the floor of your pool. especially if you have a PebbleTech, as it's going to wear very deeply on all these bristles. So this is something that we do suggest that you replace at least every other season to make sure that everything stays nice and sealed to the floor of your pool and everything gets nice and scrubbed as it runs. So along with this is the brush ring, which is this rubber band kind of material. This actually helps seal the cleaner to the floor as the brush ring is shuffling, so then that way it's allowing all of the power, the suction side, to actually draw all the dirt inside and up through this middle orifice. So when you purchase the brush ring, which we do have available for purchase in the description, it does come with the actual ring. If your brush ring is fine and you're just looking to replace the seal because for some reason maybe yours tore or it's just seeing some wear and tear, we do also sell just this portion of it. But like I said, about every other season you do want to replace it to make sure that the cleaner does its job in your pool. So like I said, it's pretty simple. Once you remove the 4 short screws and the 2 long screws, the main shroud with the bumper assembly comes off, and then you can simply remove the actual brush ring and get access to all of the internals of the cleaner. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a full playlist of tearing this cleaner from the outside in, trying to give you guys troubleshooting tips and easy fixes to help you guys do this yourself compared to having to take this somewhere and have somebody repair on it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. We got a ton more videos coming your way. I'm Krauly, ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.